Hey guys, so I got a haircut and everything. Sides are more balder. This is more like, it was really thick before. It was like that big, that wide, that, because my cousin cut it, and yeah. So yeah, I got a haircut now, again, like last time with the mohawk with the and stuff like that, like, yeah, so. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going outside right now in this. Yeah. So, my shoes, gotta get them on. Okay, this way. Out here. Come on. Whew, it's sunny out. It's sunny out. Look at that. You got the sun. Where's the sun? I don't know where it is. Jeez. So, it's a nice day out, isn't it? Yeah, it's a nice day.